Hey guys, very good morning and welcome to Trade Setup with Tanmay, your 5-minute audio podcast before the chaos begins. So today is 21st of August and we are at 7:55 and Gift Nifty is trading higher. So that is one good news as of today morning, where Gift Nifty is trading around 25,109, around 29 points for higher from yesterday's close. And yesterday we saw again a sell-off in US markets where S&P 500 was down by almost 0.25%, whereas Nasdaq cracked again by 142 points, 0.67% lower. But Asian markets today are trading mixed, where Taiwan is higher by 1.26%, Kospi is higher by 0.95%, Shanghai is higher by 0.44%, whereas Nikkei is down by 0.57%, Hang Seng is flat 17 points down 0.07%, whereas Jakarta is down by 0.5%. But that is on the global front and Asia. But what is happening on the crude end, commodities? So Brent crude has started to rally, bounce again from that 64 level and is trading around 67.08, whereas gold has now started to pick up and is trading at 33.41 dollars per ounce. If we talk about dollar index is strong above that 98 levels and is trading around 98.27, whereas USD INR has again started to crack and is trading above 87 levels at 87.07. Yesterday we saw again a sell-off coming from FIIs where they sold around 1100 crores of equity, taking their monthly figures to 25,375, whereas DIIs bought in around 1806 crores of equity, taking their monthly figures at 63,966 crores that they have bought. So FIs are still selling, DIs have nicely bought into the market. But what is the positioning that has happened overnight by pros and clients? So clients are still holding their longs and are currently holding around 3,59,000 shares as of today morning, where it is composed by 33,000 shares they have taken long on the call side, whereas on the put side they have sold around 3,25,000 shares. Along with that, the future index position is constant at 1,19,000 as it is. Along with that, if we look at pros positioning, pros have a net outstanding position of around 56,000 shares on the short side, which is composed by around 3,000 long calls they have taken and around 59,000 long puts they have taken. So a mildly reducing stance from pros end, whereas clients have also started to book their profits. But if we look at Nifty and Nifty levels, so Nifty synthetic future of 21st August, that is today's expiry, is trading around 25,044. And if we look at 28th August, it is trading at 25,080, whereas the spot is currently trading near the synthetic future of 25,047. Implied volatility or VIX for week one, that is today's expiry, has touched a lows of below 9 and is trading at 8.8, whereas monthly Vols have cracked below 10 levels and are trading around 9.25. So TK Algo is still maintaining long and we are still holding those longs. And as expected, the market is trying to bounce back. So any dip in the market should be bought back, and we can see that 25,500 also hitting in. But volatility is low. 25,050 straddle is just trading at 106 bucks. It might open around that 100 levels. So what is that trade you have to do today? So again, we are in the same zone where the volatility is extremely low. There can be jumpy walls that can happen in today's morning session. So option selling is not advised in the first half. What can be done is again calendars where you can take a long gamma trade where realized walls are surpassing those implieds, and that is where we are trying to make money. So yesterday we saw the calendar trade panning out nicely, where today's calendars are trading around 175 on 25,050 strike. So the trade setup is the same. We have to take a long gamma trade, and we have to take long bets on market on the directional side as well. On the indices front, CNX Pharma and CPSC are both indices which are not showing strength. Apart from that, broader market is showing strength nicely, where Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, and finance stocks are trading higher. Along with that, we have CNX IT, which has started to pick up, along with Realty, capital markets, small cap, mid cap, FMCG, all are showing good strength and can be looked for buying as well. So, Pharma and CPSC are two indices which are trading in the neutral zone. If we talk about commodities, gold on MCX is trading at 98,800 and is in neutral territory, whereas silver has started to crack down and is trading at 1,10,650 on MCX. Crude is trading at 5441 on MCX, whereas Nat gas again is in sell zone and is trading around 239. Whereas Bitcoin USD is in sell zone and is trading around 1,13,728. So, guys, today's expiry, the walls are extremely low. The straddle is just trading 106 points, giving an implied range of roughly 25,150 on the upside and around 24,950 on the downside. The mean currently stands at 25,000, and we can see a rally towards 25,200 as on today's expiry as well. Having said that, 25,000 being a round figure, we cannot rule out an expiry at 25,000 as well. So the advice would be, if the market comes towards that 25,000 zone, you could create a long call butterfly by entering a 24,950 call one long, 25,050 calls two short, and protecting it on the upside by buying 25,100 call. So the upside is protected, and we are paying a small premium for the range that we are expecting for. So keep a watch, keep trading light, and hope to see you all tomorrow once again. This was Tanmay signing off at 8:05. And happy trading, guys. And if you like the podcast, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and see you back again tomorrow.